Aloha, my name is Shirley Samfong. Today is Wednesday.
The 16th.
Thank you. September 16th,
2015.
2015, and it is, I don't know,
It's 8:25.
8:25. You can hear my son. Okay, so it's 8:25. This is day 3 of the Raw Fitness Challenge, but I'm talking about day 2 because I didn't make a video. So, as you can tell, I am practically laying down on my couch because the workout is real. Every night is real. So, day 2, I think I had 5 meals. 5 meals. I tried to do every 3 hours. It's a little challenging still during work, but I do my best. I actually cheated. And you won't know what I cheated on. That's between me and my trainer. But yeah, it happened. But I feel good about it, which I shouldn't. But
He's so do.
Trenton. But it is what it is, and I don't think I'm going to be doing that anymore because I actually felt really sick because I've been changing my eating habits since over the weekend. So yeah, lesson learned. It's not gonna happen. So day 2 at the gym, I thought we were doing legs, abs, cardio. Today, well, I'll talk about day 3 later. But yeah, there was a burn. I actually felt a little bit better than I did on day 1. So I went to, there are 4 stations, three moves in each station for a minute and then 30 seconds. So I completed that. My favorite words are time and modify. So with the modifications, it actually helped me get through each station, and I actually attempted to do each movement, so I'm proud of myself. It was only day 2, so yeah, it is what it is. Anyways, so I am probably gonna
Crash. For now.
close this and then do day 3, but I haven't talked about the fish oil that I've been taking and some other things, which is pretty interesting, different than what I've done before. Alright, I'll catch you folks there. Doses!